Alright, cool. So I'm gonna start doing these, I guess you can call them weekly um, recaps of pairs, see what I could have gotten in, see where I went wrong, see just to see how I could have took advantage of the opportunities in the market for the week that just went by. So I'm gonna do these probably either Friday, Saturday, or Sunday. I'm doing it more so to kind of give myself or help myself out, help my skills out, develop my skills better. So, last week, it will be this week. So, GU. Alright, I did trade GU, so let's just give ourselves some markups. Days. So, I think there's one, two daily zones I was working with. Let's see. H4. Alright. So, let's see. It would have been like right here. Yeah. So if I look closely, let's see, we got a break of, I mean, that could be either a high or low, or it's at least H4 support. We got a retest, and we need to break we need to break past our breakout point to have market flow switch. And let's see. So we're not even down here yet. Okay, let's go down to some smaller time frame and see where we are. Work our way back. So I know we got M15 transition, we got 30 transition, H1 transition, H2 transition, H3, and we got H3 transition yet, so alright. So let's kind of fast forward into these blue lines are also the time frames I trade. So let's jump forward to okay. So looks like let's see what time is that? That is 3 a.m. So we still got some time. 4, 5. Okay, so this is about the time I wake up. So I'm probably at the charts at 6 o'clock. Okay, so let's go back to our H4. And we indeed had a market flow switch, so we should be looking for sales and sales only. So now, what I would do is, since we have an H4, a little resistance right here, around H4, and I'm gonna kind of see work our way down from there. So we're at H5, obviously. I don't have to go through all these. And M30 transition. So this is kind of a box, actually. A little box and chill. So I need either. I'm looking for H1 transition. So we got the break of support. This is our breakout point. So we're looking for either retest here or here or the box. Okay, so now is where I would dive a little deeper. And let's see how this thing plays. Ooh, we got a little head and shoulders right there. So we got our H1 retest. Okay. And we got a little head and shoulders. Now let's see if we could have gotten in any sooner. Not really. I guess breaking retest here, but I don't know if I would have looked at M1. So break retest. Folder. Also break retest. Broke past that broke out point. So I mean our entry count gonna be here. Because that it came up, so let's just see. We put an entry there. Give ourselves the appropriate stops. 35 pips on GBP pairs. Let's just get this one out a little bit. Yeah. Whatever. Alright, so my first target would have been, let's see, we've already written bearish market for, so our first target actually was probably right here, which is about 30 pips, which is solid. Second target and daily target would have been our overall. So let's see how it played out. Oh, we got the drop. Scaring people out. Ooh, and then she just dropped. Look at that impulse over to the left right there. And she's gonna touch it. So at this point, yeah, so at this point, I mean, I'm took partials on like that. Okay, let it play out. Time over here. Do something with it. Okay. Alright, we're on to the next day. Now, let's see where we are. So now that we look, we have we're still prioritizing sales. Let's see what we got down here. Oh, I see level of broken. And this is H3, so I mean I take that into, let's see. Let's see where we are going. Still looking for sales, still prioritizing sales, so those are our highest probability. We can see. Okay. If we get any kind of retest. So, looking at this, this would be vocabulary and stuff like this. I mean, this is probably got to go to a lower time frame. We've got transition right there. Plus trend line break, little head and shoulders, head, shoulder. Shoulder, head, shoulder, right there. We'll do a little break and retest there. So we'll probably get in right here. I mean, unless we were on M1, and I'm probably break. I'm probably not entering on M1. I mean, I have, but I'm probably not going to do it if I'm being real with myself. One day, though. One day I'll be super confident in it. Okay, spread that out. Go back to our targets. Okay, so this would probably be my first target right here. And then my second target would probably be somewhere up there, because I think if I look on the H4, yeah, somewhere in there. So this is what I would be looking for. So play that out. Game down. At this point, we are pretty much we're risk free. Let's see. Okay, on to the next day. All right, so this actually gave us a zone to kind of work with. Yeah, you can kind of see it on H4. So what I would probably do is bank on that as a retest. So I'd probably have that there. And I'd probably come back down here and see where we are. Got a 15 transition. We've got 30. Yep, got that down. We've got, so on H1, we still have not closed above. Well, that's not even our breakout point. Our breakout point is this is our breakout point. So now that I see that, I probably do something like this. Time frames. Okay, now what I would probably do is wait for this to come back into this zone and sell that shit. I'll probably sell it off angle because I know we're looking for sales, and right now I probably would have sold off that candle right there. Give myself appropriate stops. Have that be my first target, and then bring us back down here. So let's see. I think I'm about to run out of time, so I might want to buy like the data version of this. But as we can see, it did play out. That's how we could have took advantage of, GU this week. Super simple moves. Super simple moves. Yeah, I'd be risk free at this point, so something like that. Yeah, see, I'm sure I could have found another entry right there somewhere, but it's gonna be it for, I guess, this week's. I only got one pair in, so I'll try to do more of these.